Hi everyone. In this video I'll show you how to replace this rear head restraints. Now the initial batches of Polo came with these raised type of head restraints, and it was causing visibility issues in the rear view mirror when you use the internal rear view mirror. I'll show you how badly it was getting affected. The later batches of Polo now started coming with the flush type mirrors, and it used to sit flush with this seat back, and thus that caused a lot of difference, and you were able to see a lot more from the rear view mirror. Now let me show you the difference. Can you see those two raised headrests on the rear seat? That's like taking a lot of useful view from the rear. Now I'll show you when you replace this with and that too, this is from the Jetta and Passat's mirror. The stock mirror was actually smaller than this unit, and the visibility was even terrible. So what I did was I noticed that the 2014 Polo started coming with the flush type. So then I inquired with my service center back there in Navsari, Gujarat, and the good folks there helped me source the flush type headrest. And then I replaced it, got it upholstered with the current upholstery scheme in my car, and that was really helpful. Let me just show you that. Now, what you need to do to remove this headrest is, there's a tab here. If you pull the tab out, it will come, but you need to push this. There's a small slot in here. There's a small slot in here. You need to put a flat blade screwdriver or your car key, and that will help this headrest come out from that slot. Push that tab. Now these are those headrests which are the flush type. You can see the difference. And I had this reupholstered in this current scheme. See how flush it sits, nice and clean. So these are out and the new ones are in. Now let me show you the difference. The rear view mirror. Check this out, guys. You can see that the raised protruding headrests have gone, and this eliminates a lot of obstruction, and you get a clear view from the rear. So this is a really nice safety add-on, if you ask me, especially for those guys who are having an even smaller stock mirror. So I hope that was useful. I'll link the part numbers in the description below. Check with your service center in case you have the older lot of the Polo and the Vento. So that's all, guys. Take care.